Black with all the video starts with a black screen. Now let's go with the intro. Warner Bros logo is amazing. Now let's start with the video.
I'm gonna kill you, Dragon. I'm gonna cut out your heart and take it to my father. I'm a Viking. I am a Viking!
Oh no, what have I done? I should not do that. That means...
Thanks for watching. Make sure to smash that like button and subscribe, notifications on.